Hello everybody, Jim here, and a lot of you asked me about the app that I am using, which I created for me and I'm putting out to the public. So you want to learn more what it does, how it works and all that great stuff. So I don't want to sound pitchy, but I need to let you know that English is my second language, so my English is a little bit broken. I'm not, good with English language, so bear with me. If you don't understand me, just watch, okay? So I am inside in one of my sites, and as you can see, I have added a product to the cart, right? It's a very simple process. You put an ad, you drive traffic through your ad sets. Hopefully, you do good targeting, etc., and someone watch your message, what you have to offer. Okay, if he says, okay, I like this product, and if he resonates with that and see the value, etc., they add it to the cart and go to the checkout. Now the problem is that a lot of people, first and foremost, a lot of people, their sites, suck. Okay, this is just to be honest with you. On a lot of people, the sites suck. Okay, now why do I say that? Because a lot of people think that the problem is on the ads, but the real problem is their site is not able to convert that visitor to sale. Okay, the only reason of an ad is someone to click that ad and go from the ad to the product. Okay, now the selling and telling, the website needs to do that, and a lot of you do AliExpress like Oberlo, put the items on the site, don't even put time and effort on descriptions. Now this thing is not about me to telling you what to do on your business, but to show to you how you actually increase your business. Okay, so let's say in our example someone resonate with the product, add it to the cart, go to the checkout. Now the biggest uh, let's say wrong thing, okay, the biggest issue, okay, this is the word that I was looking for, is that we have, let's say, 1,000 visitors and 150 add to carts, 30 sales. Okay, now there is a problem. Okay, this is a problem. Of course, numbers are hypothetical. Okay, I'm just state the fact that the sales compared to add to carts, compared to visitors, are way low, and that's 1%, 2%. From 100 people you might get 1 to 3 sales, right? 3 is actually high in a store, not in a sales funnel. Now what to do, what we can do to fix that? Well, we entice our let's say visitors to buy with whatever, let's say free shipping or whatever, right? Now the problem is that if you give coupon to everybody, the ones that also resonate with the product and they would buy anyways, okay, you actually give them, you give them discount, and you actually lose money because they would buy anyways, right? Especially if you do retail stores that you give like 30, 40, 50% discount, etc., right? Another thing is, if you do let's say and give discount, first of all you give discount to everybody, so it hurts your pocket a lot, okay, and it actually won't increase the conversion. It's the same thing, but you actually lose money. The second thing is, if you use something like, Optimum or Wheelio or whatever, right? I mean, Wheelio is great on the front end. You can get, a lot of emails, but you need to be good at email marketing. Now, me, I suck, okay? And sometimes I look like spammy, which I try to avoid. But again, the people, of course, they might, it's not place the front end to give the coupon, okay? Why? Well, the visitor at that point is on searching mode. It's not actually see the product, like it, and decide to buy it, okay? He's on searching. They search, they look your stuff, okay? Now, other people give a coupon to the cart page. Now, this can work, but again, you give coupon to everybody, so it hurt your. They try here to put an image, and they think that they did something. I mean, this is the dumbest thing ever, because first of all, everything goes way below the fold. First, second, especially in mobile, a lot of people, even if you do, they don't use it because they don't know where to put that coupon. Have you ever searched a page through mobile? Okay, it's hidden, right? So not only need to copy, etc., etc. Now, the way that I do it is I create a pop-up, okay, that have couple things in place. Keep in mind, I'm not a coder, I'm not a designer. I'm a marketer, and I know what I need and what works, okay? A lot of product developers are not actually running campaigns. Very, very, have you seen, Funnel Hacker, ClickFunnels? Why ClickFunnels is way, way, way better than Lead Pages? Because Russell Brunson is already a marketer, already do stuff and know what he wants, if that makes sense. So in our example, I know what I want to increase the conversion, and what I want is the people that don't buy to buy, and the people that will buy, great. Okay, it's something like someone try to buy this for $10, give me the $10, and I say, no, give me 8. I mean, it doesn't make sense. But if I sell it for 10 and he's I don't know, I can say, okay, buy it for 8, final price. I hope that mindset make a lot of sense. Now, how we do it? Well, first of all, have you ever tried you have seen an exit, intent like Wheelio, Optimum, Privy, that, when you click try to exit, that pop appear. If you click somewhere, maybe disappear, and you maybe didn't, read it, okay, because you hit by accident somewhere. Now, this is wrong, because even if you try to do it 100 times, it won't work. The only reason to see it again, that message, is to go from incognito, and if you're a marketer, you know that to go from incognito, but the buyer doesn't know that, okay? So the second problem is the pop-up. Every time that someone tries to exit, okay, to see the pop-up. I don't care how many times, okay, 100 times, 100 times he will see it, okay? Keep in mind, he can close the X bar on the browser, etc., etc. But if he tries to exit, I want him to see my message, okay? Second thing is with Wheelio, which is a little more advanced coupon. They actually let you to copy to clipboard, and again, it's not optimal because you need, especially in mobile, you need to find that placement, okay, and add it, and it's hidden. with desktop, you see the placement. Here is the placement. You need to paste it. A lot of people doesn't know that. I mean, maybe the countdown timer, it's not good. So to me, it's not good. I wanted like a button, boom, auto apply. Okay, like give me my discount. Someone click that button to get his discount. He get his discount. He will be able to see it. People are lazy. They don't want to learn, especially in mobile. When someone click that button, boom, auto apply and can see the value change. Okay, now without further ado, of course, I have more stuff to show to you, but let's actually show to you in action. I create a coupon code like best 10, which I give like 10% off. Okay, to understand. Someone might be on here or keep in mind this is a testing store. Maybe it's on payment page, whatever, right? Well, and try to exit. A lot of people, if you see, they start the exit on where it says like geartrendy.myshopify on that bar. We start a little bit below. Boom. Do you see that? Okay. If I click now, keep in mind it's not fast, but if you try it on your end, basically if I try it without shooting video and having torrent and Skype and stuff open, it will load like boom. Okay. And if I click get discount, as you can see, it updates. I mean, it. Keep in mind, guys, this is doing. It does this in less than a second. Okay, it does this in less than a second. Don't pay attention that right now. So, so slow. I mean, I do 100 times, 100 things. Of course, and when the mouse is over here, okay, it actually pops. Now, another thing to see is, do you see that the black on that area? There is a reason that why we have this and didn't have like background, like the item, the page, and the reason is that we want to capture the attention on the pop-up. Okay, this is like to go to your eyes because people wear visual things. If it's pure white like this, I mean, a clear background, I mean, we want to focus the attention, boom, here. Okay, now let me show you, and it doesn't matter. It will, pop like in a split of a second. Now, let me actually show to you how it looks inside. And it's very, very, very simple. I mean, you can have your text here. You can put whatever you want. You can activate, deactivate, change the color, subtitle, activate, deactivate, change the color, pop-up timer, it says 5 minutes, you can make it 2 minutes, it doesn't really matter, change the color, pop-up button, activate, deactivate, change what it says, what it doesn't say, says, the color, the button color, the coupon code that you put here, don't pay attention to that. This is for Shopify Plus, because for stores that are on Shopify Plus and on above 25K, we will have a little bit different, stuff that they can actually create the coupon from here, just to save you, 30 seconds, but take one coupon to be created. Mobile, desktop, I mean, You can interact with the background page, so the one to scale and the other goes back like that. Let's say the pop, instead of showing the pop, it goes like that. The pop goes and the background push it back. Nobody does this. Pop-up effect, I mean tone of effect. Let's say zoom in, position, top, center, bottom right, bottom left. As I told you, I'm already a marketer and I want this stuff. Let's say top right. Let's say I don't want to push the let's say I want actually to push the image back just to understand it, and let me save it and let me actually preview it. And of course, because I'm 1 hour outside, it might ask me to log in again. Give me 1 second to load. So if we click that, preview, okay. Again, keep in mind the whole process takes like 1 second at the best, okay. Like when you hit preview, or the stuff that happen on the site, it actually take way less time. Now let's try to make it a little bit pretty, because it's actually very ugly. So I might want the color, let's say black. Boom. I want the, let's say, get discount, the button orange. Maybe orange. Maybe like that. Maybe I want the text white. Maybe I want the background white. It actually looks very good, right? Maybe I don't want the orange. Maybe I want it, something close to that. Maybe I want it in the, let's say, top center. Maybe I want it to zoom out. Save. Now check this out. Let me actually, okay, and because I want you to see that those changes become, as you go on the fly. So give it 1 second to load. Of course, we already have applied the coupon, but I want just to show to you, how it works. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now, of course, you can click it. Now, let me actually go through my mobile just to see it. Let's say here, and the okay. Let me actually show you. I don't know if you can see. Do you see my screen? Okay. Now it's the same as you can see. Now what's this? Okay, what did I click? Come on, Jim. Do you see? Boom. And it auto add the value because someone needed to click, on that countdown and add it there. That's it. I hope you like it. I mean, I will launch this. It will cost like $10 per month. I would require, uh, if you want positive 5-star, I mean, you can give 4-star for the app and 1-star for me. I don't really care, but I require that because later when I launch it, I mean, it will cost $25. Okay, that version I have on the pipeline for the pro version as well. It will cost the pro version more. Of course, you can make a ton of money, so I believe $25 is way good. Of course, the stores that make above 25K, it would be percentage of the sales that we generate. I mean, we can work it out, but okay, now you can get it for $10. Not now, actually, when I launch it, but I would require review. If you don't give me, review, even a bad one, I don't really care. Okay, just I firmly, strongly believe that I can improve based on review and constructive criticism. I mean, if you tell me, hey, can you watch my site and give me your critique, I would be brutal. If something sucks, I would say, hey, this sucks. You need to, make it better. So I would require, in order to be win-win situation, and of course, you will make a killing, to say the least. Okay, that's it for that video. I hope you like it, and I will keep you on the loop.